Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download JetBrains software officially for Windows. So make sure you watch till the end because I'll share an important bonus tip for students and developers. Step 1. Go to the official JetBrains website. First, open your web browser. Now search for JetBrains official download or directly link in description. Important, always download JetBrains software only from the official JetBrains website. Do not download from cracked or third-party sites. They are unsafe, illegal, and may contain malware. Step 2. Choose JetBrains product and download. On the JetBrains website, you'll see multiple products like IntelliJ IDEA, Pycharm, WebStorm, and more. Select the software you need. Select Windows version. Now choose Operating System, Windows version, latest available 64-bit. Click on Download to start the installer. Once the download is complete, open the setup file. Complete the installation. After installation, launch the software. Bonus tip, as promised. If you are a student, teacher, or open source contributor, JetBrains provides free student licenses. You can also get discounted plans for learning and education. Many developers use JetBrains legally without paying full price. Always use official licenses only. So that's how you can download JetBrains software officially for Windows. If this video helped you, subscribe for more developer tools and software tutorials. Comment below which software you want next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.